How to install Livescale on Shopify. In your Shopify store, navigate to the Shopify App Store, search for Livescale, and download Live Shopping by Livescale. Click on Add App to add the app to your Shopify store. Then click on Add Sales Channel, and click on Connect to create a Livescale account and connect it to your Shopify store. Click on Create and Link Account, and voila! How to add users to your account on Livescale. Click on your Livescale account name, click Users Permission, and click on Add User to add a user to your account. Enter their email, select the permission, and click on Invite User to invite them to your Livescale account. How to create an event on Livescale. In Livescale, click on Create an event to start the event creation process. Enter an event title, an event URL, some notes for your host, and select a date and time for your event. You will then have to select a host. That will be the person that will be hosting the event for you. Click on Next, and in the Design tab, add your logo, select a brand color, add a banner, and customize your invitation message. You may also choose a background color and a text color. Afterwards, you can decide whether or not you want to display a countdown widget. Then, you may customize your thank you message and click on Next to reach the product tab. In here, you'll be connecting your products to your Livescale account. Simply select a collection and click on Create Event to create your event. That's it. You now have created your first event on Livescale. How to access an event from an Instagram bio. Navigate to a profile, click on the link in the bio, and access the live shopping event. How to access your event from your website. On your website, simply add an embed link to your call to action. This will automatically open up the experience in an embedded view on your website. How to create a poll on Livescale. In your Livescale control room, select Poll, create a poll, and add a question. You may select up to 4 answers. Then click on Create, and your poll has been created. How to start the video preview on Livescale. In your control room, click on Start Preview to start the video preview. How to connect your smartphone to Livescale. Scan the QR code with your smartphone, launch the Larix app, and click on the red button to send a feed to Livescale. How to preview your event on Livescale. On Livescale, click on the Preview Event button, scan the QR code, or access the link directly on your desktop. In the preview mode, you can test out the chat, scroll through your catalog of products, and even test your checkout flow. How to access an event from an Instagram story. Open up an Instagram story and either swipe up or access the link from the bio. How to go live on Livescale. In your control room with your feed coming in, simply click Go Live and then Go Live Now to launch your live event. How to publish polls on Livescale. In the Polls tab, click on Publish Now to publish your poll. You will see the results coming in real time. Once satisfied, click on Share Results to share the results with your audience. How to highlight a product on Livescale. In the Products tab, select either product to highlight it on top of the video. Your audience will be able to purchase the product simply by selecting it. How to pin a message on Livescale. In the chat bar, enter the message that you want to pin. Click on the pin icon to pin it on top of the video. How to notify a viewer on Livescale. In the chat, you may hold a giveaway and ask a question. First one to reply wins a prize. To notify that viewer, click on the ellipsis icon next to their name. Select Notify Viewer to capture that viewer's email address. You will then be able to communicate with them via email. How to moderate the chat on Livescale. On Livescale, you may moderate the chat in multiple ways. You can remove a chat, or you can completely ban a user from interacting in the chat. How to end your live event on Livescale. On Livescale, simply click End Live and wait for the preventive timer to complete to end your live. How to view your analytics on Livescale. Click on Let's check out the analytics at the end of your live event to access the analytics page. How to download your recording on Livescale. In the analytics page, simply click Download recording at the top right to download your live event.